here to start streaming. Oh. Alright, okay, now it's working. Good. Oh, I close the soy jack party stuff. Alright. Well, hello everyone. Let me close Steam. Yeah, I definitely don't play Overwatch. I just installed GIMP. Yes. Okay. I don't even know where to begin. It's been a while since I've streamed. I wasn't planning on making stuff. This all came about to be yesterday when I decided, hey, I'm at work, I'm wasting time unintentionally, of course. I'm on Hacker News, I'm on GitHub Trending, I'm on Lobsters, and I'm like, hey, you know what would be the most productive use of my time? Record myself doing this, like this whole shenanigan, and and have it saved somewhere, right? So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just do what I do. Like, I've been killing myself not to touch Hacker News or GitHub Trending, because that's my natural reflex. And yeah, that's pretty much what I was gonna do. And yeah, it does take a lot of self-control not to scroll like some people scroll on Instagram, Discord, Reddit, what have you. I do that with Hacker News, and it sounds goofy, but that is what I do. And yeah, and this is what I was gonna, just to make sure the stream is fine. All right. If you go on show, this is something I discovered, because I see show HN quite frequently when I just go on Hacker News. But if you click on show on its own, there's also the newest. So Hacker News moderators, the Jannies, somewhat filter some of these. So if I click the newest, there's plenty more, right? And yeah, that's one thing I was gonna do. I go on Lobsters. It's mostly opinion. It's mostly good articles. Maybe this thing like zero install static site hosting service for hackers. Pretty cool, right? That's a project I can actually try. But mostly like Git programmatic staging. Well, I guess that's a program too. I guess these are, but like the unum pattern. These things are mostly articles, opinions, things of that nature. And that's why I kind of decided not to do that. But now that I'm looking at it, maybe Lobsters is a good thing to do. I look at it quite a lot. And yeah, Hardened BSD. I'd heard of that, but never tried it. Maybe that's what I'll do today, right? So yeah, we'll see. Yeah, the novice and the master 5 programming jokes. Anyways, scrolling through headlines is much more enjoyable when I can record it. And then let's say I try some project and I'm like, hey, this was pretty cool. I don't remember that one thing. I can just come back on YouTube. Maybe you can, come back on YouTube, take a gander at it, see if it's cool. And hey, it's the nature of open source or even non-open source. Just something that you can actually use. That you fork it, maybe you try it, maybe you use it in your project, maybe you just enjoy the product and then not use it anymore. But pretty much that. And yeah, obviously, lastly, GitHub.com. Also, if you see this is no longer DuckDuckGo, I used Perplexity, because I sold out. But GitHub Trending. All right, now this caught my attention yesterday. I was at work, not doing documentation, and I thought, hey, what better thing I can do except, just go on GitHub Trending. And I did have self-control enough not to try it. So, but now I have the freedom of doing that. So, Pingora, this is something. Well, let's actually read it out. I'm pretty sure there's a release article. There you go. Yeah, this is the blog. Open sourcing Pingora, our Rust framework for building programmable network services. So, let me take a quick sip. Also, I'm not sure if this whole OBS thing is right. I'm on a machine. I'm not. Oh, by the way, this is pretty cool. I don't know if you've seen this. The waiting DVD. Um, I how do I say it? I used to be on. I don't even remember. I remember streaming a while ago, like maybe last year. Um, I don't know what OS I was in. I tried before this. I was on Garuda. Basically, this is a awful machine that I'm on. This is does hostname CTL show you what it is? No. I guess let's just do it the old-fashioned way. LS CPU. Yeah. The CPU is a 4800H. Terrible. Awful. Lots of usage, very little performance, but that's not the issue. The issue is my GPU. So if you look at this, how do I expand WES term? Oh, also WES term. WES term is a fantastic terminology. I use it on Windows, I use it on Linux, I use it on other Linuxes, I guess. But where was it? This thing. This awful thing. 5600. I know there's an M in the name. Oh, I guess that's the display control. Where's the I'm blind, bro. Insensitive graphics? Nah. GPU? No. BGI? Nah. But TLDR, it's a 5600 and pretty much the same GPU they used to use back in old MacBooks before M1 came out. It's not good. Yeah, so yeah, anyways. But let's continue with this. Today we're proud to open source Pingora, the Rust framework we have been using to build services that power a significant portion of the traffic on Cloudflare. Pingora is released under the Apache license version 2. Now, lots of thoughts to unpack in this one sentence. Cloudflare is a big deal. They once went down for a few minutes and people started pulling hairs out. They have centralized the internet. You can call them the bad guys or the good guys, but they do have interesting software and they've been pushing for Rust. Just a preliminary. As mentioned in our previous blog post, there's a previous blog post. Should I read that? Nah. Pingora is a Rust async multi-threaded framework that assists us in constructing HTTP proxy services. Since our last blog post, Pingora has handled nearly a quadrillion internet requests across our global network. We are open sourcing Pingora to help build a better and more secure internet beyond our own infrastructure. We want to provide tools, ideas, and inspiration to our customers, users, and others to build their own internet infrastructure using a memory-safe framework. Lots to unpack again, but just another quick tidbit. The White House required people, or encouraged or pushed, I don't know, they kept saying Rust for memory safe, Rust for... Just saying it right now, Rust is memory safe amongst the low-level languages. If you go a little bit like languages that have garbage collection, all are memory safe. Haskell is memory safe. Go is memory safe. It's just that it comes at a little bit of a cost. So I think this is, I may have been misinterpreting this. I thought Pingora was like a web server type of deal. I use Caddy and it's wonderful and it's written in Go. So just letting you know, garbage collection is not the end of the world. But regardless. Where was I? Having such a framework is especially crucial given the increasing awareness of the importance of memory safety across the industry and the US government. This is what I was talking about. You know, press release, future software should be memory safe. Could not agree more, but there's plenty more issues with that. But anyways, let me close this. GNOME has been acting goofy on me. Oh, by the way, do you see how this is weird? I might switch to Plasma. Plasma 6 was announced, so that's another thing to keep in mind. Under this common goal, we are collaborating with the Internet Search Research Group, our SRG, Prosimo project. I don't know who they are, so I might have to check them out, to help advance the adoption of Pingora in the Internet's most critical infrastructure. And in our previous blog post, we discussed why and how we built Pingora, and so we'll talk about why and how you might use Pingora. So the implementation notes, maybe they're more here. I might have to read this as well. I don't want to waste too much time, so let's just keep going. Um, Pangora provides building blocks for not only proxies but also clients and servers. Along these components, we also provide a few utility libraries that implement common logic such as event counting. Ooh, Pangora keeps count. So they've been talking about it, they've been teasing it, but they never released it up until recently. Okay. What's in the box? Pangora provides libraries and APIs to build services on top of HTTP 1 and 2. I don't see HTTP. Oh, it says on the. Okay, sorry. On top of HTTP 1 and 2, TLS or just TCP/UDP. As a proxy, it supports HTTP 1 and 2, end-to-end, gRPC, and WebSocket proxying. HTTP 3 is on the roadmap. So, HTTP 3 is my fetish. HTTP 3 is pretty cool because, as you know, so just a quick visualization. So, Quick is built on top of UDP, which is maybe I shouldn't be using Perplexity. Give me 1 second. Quick visualization. Let's search on DuckDuckGo to see images. I just want to show a little thingy. So I guess this is how it works. And oh, by the way, another thing. As of HTTP2, was it HTTP2? Or maybe even, I don't know. But TLS is built in, so you can't really have plain text packets, which is, I don't know if that's really a good thing, but just letting you know. But yeah, this is as you can see, this is quick. This is maybe a good. I thought there would be like more visualizations of the packet. Maybe I should say packet, but yeah, basically this is why I like HTTP 3 because it's fast, it's UDP, and it can do plenty more that HTTP 2 cannot. So, but regardless, HTTP 2 is still great. You know, mostly I'm visiting a website with HTTP 2, so it's not that like, oh, it's an old version. It's iPhone. I don't know what the 11 now. I have to kill myself. No, it's a decent. Which comes with FIPS compliance. Don't know what that is. And post-quantum crypto, which is, you know, this is in my opinion very significant. You know, I know a lot of programs are pushing for that, which is good. Besides providing these features, Pangora provides filters and callbacks to allow its users to fully customize how the service should process, transform, forward the request. These APIs will be especially familiar to OpenResty and Nginx users. So, well, that's really good. As many map intuitively onto OpenResty's something by Lua callbacks. I haven't used OpenResty that often, but I will say this: whenever I visit a website, I check their server HTTP header. It's most of the time OpenResty or Nginx. Operationally, Pangora provides zero downtime, graceful restarts to upgrade itself without dropping a single incoming request. Syslog, Prometheus, Sentry, OpenTelemetry, and other must-have observability tools are easily integrated with Pangora as well. So that's really good too. Syslog is really convenient. Yeah, I'm happy. Who can benefit from Pangora? So actually, this is something I'm gonna read. I don't wanna like literally go read it verbatim and then, you know, waste time. But hey, let's at least read the interesting parts to me. Security is your top priority. So yeah, Pangora is a more memory-safe alternative for services that are written in C/C++. Yippee! While some might argue about memory safety among programming languages, from our practical experience, we find ourselves way less likely to make coding mistakes that lead to memory safety issues. Besides, as we spend less time struggling with these issues, we are more productive implementing new features. Could not agree more. Your service is performance sensitive. Pangora is fast and efficient. As explained in our previous blog post, we saved a lot of CPU and memory resources thanks to Pangora's multi-threaded architecture. Now, I'll have to read on to that. But yeah, Rust async is very interesting. People hate on it for no idea what. I mean, I guess, I don't know, maybe the language standard. I don't even know if they have a standard for Rust yet. But async in Rust is really cool because you can change how the whole async thing works. And it's good for IoT stuff. That's what I was going to get at, but I don't want to go on a whole rambling thing. And the saving... wait, did I skip that part? As explained on previous, we saved a lot of CPU and memory resources thanks to Pangora's multi blah blah blah. The saving in time and resources should be compelling for workloads that are sensitive to the cost and or speed of the system. Your service requires extensive customization, so that's also good. That's one thing that I don't like about Caddy, and I guess most web servers. I know most web servers are extensible, but like. You know, generally the guides that you see is just like, hey, you know, drop this, especially Apache. You know, it's kind of a pain in the booty hole because, you know, what if, you You know, it's a huge X. Is it XML? I don't. It's not XML, but it's like those. It's got those tags, and it can get like for virtual host. You know, it can get plenty big. So hopefully, writing stuff in Rust will be better. The APIs that the Pingora proxy framework provides are highly programmable for users who wish to build a customized and advanced gateway or load balancer. Pingora provides a powerful yet simple ways to build it. We provide examples in the next section. Wonderful. I don't know if I'll go through this whole thing. How to contribute, blah. But I did want to go to their GitHub real quick. Just, you know. Let's look at their quick starting guide. So, the quick start shows how to build a bare bones and load balancer using Pingora and Pingora proxy. I guess this is the same thing as the blog post. Well, that's fine. Let's do it. Okay. All right. So, GitHub provides copy and paste. So now that you have your ChatGPT and your copy and paste, I don't think people need to use their brains anymore. Life is much better this way. So I go to source. Yeah, let's build one. Oh, I'm on this is another thing. I'm on Bazite now. I don't know if I said it, but it's let's just skip it. But no, not Arch. Let's enter kill me. Fedora. There you go. Okay. Still don't have cargo. Okay, kill me. Cargo. First of all, I misspelled it. Second of all, I didn't put sudo. Yeah. Okay. Good girl. Keep going. Okay. Now, yay, it created it. So let's enter. And then it says, so these are the two dependencies they want us to add. So we add async trait. So now, that's pretty. I haven't looked at async trait, frankly. I'm not gonna lie. By the way, I use Helix. I don't know if I have it installed. I do have it installed. Wonderful. Cargo. Okay. And of course, because we're in a container, a clipboard doesn't use the. Ignore me. First, let's create a Pingora server. A Pingora server is a process that which can, that's not a comma, that's my screen being dirty, can host one or more services. The Pingora server takes care of configuration and CLI argument parsing. Demonization. My coworker says demonize. I get demon. Demonization, signal handling, graceful restart or shutdown. The preferred usage is to initialize a server in the main function and use run forever to spawn all the runtime threads and block the main thread until the server is ready to exit. Okay, that's great. Give me one moment. I'm trying to just read this. Okay. Frankly, I'm not a Rust guru. Just saying that right off the bat. Just let me see if this actually works before I start pasting in junk. Cargo run. Yeah. Do I see hello world yet? Please tell me I see hello world. Oh, it's also, yeah, it's fine. It's downloading and compiling the dependencies for async trait, but I do want to see. Let me see async arc, or sorry, no, just arc rust docs. It's a thread safe ref counting pointer that stands for atomically reference. Okay. I want to blow my nose, but oh, by the way, I'm sick. That's why my voice is all goofy. But let's just see. Because I know this was in the Rust Rustling book. Atomic reference counted. Okay. You clone it. Okay, so in the thread you print it. Okay. That makes sense. Let's go back to, because one thing I'm still iffy on is that so when you clone it, so this reference is passed on to this bad boy, and hold up. Okay, and it goes in the thread. And can I edit this? Okay, I can. And if I were to, like, let's say, comment this out. Yeah. So that definitely makes sense. And yeah, this is Arc. Sorry. Wait, their editor is actually... They don't have auto completion, do they? No. Bro, fuck off. No, okay, but that was pretty cool. Regardless, okay. Okay. Which does not implement the copy trait. Okay. No, yeah, that definitely makes sense, and then we'll make a copy of it. Blah blah blah. Okay. I'm just trying to see how this whole thing fits in to this thing. Which I mean, again, makes sense because you know there's a whole server thread that's running. I'm trying to also see where async happens, and this is this macro. Okay, let's move slowly. It didn't work. Let me guess. OpenSSL. Where is it? What is the error? Yep, OpenSSL. Okay, DNF install OpenSSL. Sudo. Blah, blah, blah. Not Sriracha. Let's see. There should be like OpenSSL dev. I don't know Fedora that well. Devil. There you go. Not search, buddy. Yeah. Yeah. Good. Cheers. I got this at scale, which I'm going to this year. It's in March. We're in March. Oh shit, we're in March. I forgot. But anyways, where was I? Oh yeah. So first of all, cargo build or run even. No. Why did you create a load balancer instead of that? Okay. See, this is why you don't do things impulsively. Run. Failed to read. What? What? Failed to load the oh. Oh, it added it to one of those. I see. I have to remove this thing. OpenSSL still fails to build. Maybe I have to re-enter this. Let's see if that'll help. Or no, cargo build. Nope. OpenSSL Rust Fedora. I don't know how to phrase this. Let's see. Yeah, I did that. Didn't I do that right now? Yeah, right here. I did it. It's already installed, right? Nothing else to do. Cargo build. What? Okay. What is that? What is that? Let's see. Oh, it's like a Perl script? Okay, let's guess that. I don't know. Oh. What is find bin? Also, why is that requiring this? I'm skeptical of this whole thing. In an ideal world, I could have just been doing Nix build, but that's another story. Anyways, where the fuck is it? I think my package might have been delivered right now. Delivered, yeah. So, but that's for later. OpenSSL sys is still building. Let's see. Aw, 0 viewers. That's fine. Welcome to. Remember to guard your. Sure, I'll do my best. Yeah, this is taking too long. I don't like that. Ah, OBS is using... Actually, I mean, honestly, 2 gigs of RAM is not that much. I don't know. Anyways, it built. It ran. It... So, nope. Where was it? Where is it? It's Pingora. Yeah. So, let's try this thing. Oh yeah, I forgot it doesn't work. Okay, let's do it this way. That's fine. So let's try to run it. Let's try to run it. Okay. So what does it do? It's a server. Okay. To initialize the server, the main function and use run forever to spawn all. Okay. So what exactly is happening? I don't know. What is this? Is this a web server? Is this a proxy? Is it just? I don't know what's happening. This will compile and run, but doesn't do anything interesting. Okay, that makes sense. So it doesn't do anything interesting. That's fine. Let's create a load balancer. Now that's the interesting part that I wanted to take a look at. The Pingora load balancing crate already provides the load balancer struct with the common selection algorithms such as round robin and hashing. Yippee. So let's just use it. If the use case requires more sophisticated or customized server selection logic, user can simply implement themselves in this function. In order to make the... Okay. To make any object that implements the proxy HTTP trait essentially defines how a request is handled in the proxy. The only required method in the is upstream peer, which returns the address where the... Interesting. That actually that's a useful trait. That's a useful trait. Okay. So let's kill me. This is annoying. Also, why am I not getting auto completion? All right, I need Rust Analyzer. Is it this? Yay! Okay, it's packaged for Fedora. I'm happy. You know, Fedora is good. I'm glad. Let's work with it. Anything? No unused thing error. Rust Analyzer is also slow. See, back to my original comment, this PC is awful. Not even a PC, it's a laptop, but okay, we're good now. No errors. Okay, good. Okay, now it works. And then let's implement this. I'm gonna have to, once it's running and all that, you know, we'll take a look at stuff. But there you go. Now we're getting this. Okay. Yes, we're not using it yet. Okay, so let's just read through the whole thing. So this is a load balancer struct that we're making. Arc is for the atomic ref counting thing, right? And with the generics, we got the load balancer. Let's take a look at this. This is one of the useful... Oh shit. I forgot how to scroll down. Sorry, give me a sec. How do you scroll down? They really need to add just scroll wheel and Helix. Maybe I should make a video on Helix. It's really good, but it also has limitations. Key map, yeah. Scroll. No, not in here. Oh, U and D. Okay. What? Oh, I can't scroll because that's the whole thing. Oh, okay. Contains the service discovery, health check, and backend selection all together. Okay. In order to run service discovery and health check at the designated frequency, the load balancer needs to be run as Pingora core services, blah, blah, blah. But regardless, it needs to be run as background service. Okay, and let's take a look at round robin. Now, it just says it's the selection unweighted, but I'm pretty sure if you go to the definition, you can actually find this. Damn, yeah. I mean, you can definitely select. You can take a look at how they implemented it. Random selection. Damn. Yeah, honestly, this is pretty cool. This is frankly really cool of them to do that. I don't know if the Apache license is going to be limiting, but not my concern. But anyways, so let's read through this. So we understood what that struct is. Now we're implementing the proxy HTTP. Also, before continuing, I just want to take a look at this. Why is there no documentation on this? Is it just making its is it using Tokyo? Uh No, it's not using Tokyo. How is it doing? I'm honestly not sure. Is it just their own runtime? I don't know. We'll take a look at that later. But okay, when you implement this, so you make a context. For this small example, we don't need context storage. Okay, so that's fine. The new context returns this. Okay. In Haskell, this is called void. It has a certain name. Um, what is this called in Rust? What is? I honestly don't know. What is in Rust? This has a certain meaning. The unit. Oh, it's called. Okay, okay. Zero size value representative. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay. That makes sense. It's similar to Haskell. Is it similar to what means in Haskell? I haven't watched it, but Bertaj Milial, I don't know how to say his last name, but the dude who does category theory for programmers, he talks about this in one of his first videos. I've watched that long time ago. Similar, yeah. So it kind of is the same thing. Okay. All right. So when you make a new context, and also this is not mandated by the. So yeah. So one more comment. One more comment. Man, I hate having too many things. Yeah, switch. It said you only need to implement upstream peer. So this is not really. I don't know if this is required to implement. I don't know, but maybe that's like a placeholder for the later. Anyways, let's look at the main deal. The upstream peer. So you take the self, session, cool. Okay, okay, it's a mutable session with a context mutable. Okay, and then you return result, which could, if you know a little bit of Rust, so result is like, you know, it's a monad basically in Haskell. I don't know who my audience is because I'm assuming you know Haskell but not Rust, or you know Rust but not Haskell. I don't know who I'm talking to really, so if you don't understand anything, just Google it. Yeah, I'm not the best teacher. But yeah, okay, so it's a result, and box is for memory stuff. I know. I don't know what exactly it is. It's that uniquely owns a heap allocation of type T. Heap allocation. Okay, so it does allocate the thing, and then HTTP peer, which is actually, so the upstream peer should implement that. Just a quick sec. Let's take a look at the definition of this. So no, okay, so they do need to implement that, and they do need to implement this. And okay, this is normal. So that's the type for any upstream peer function that you implement. Okay, and then upstream self 0. So I'm assuming that's for a tuple. Self.0. Self.0. It's a tuple, right? Or sorry, the inside of it. So if we're looking at this, we're looking at the inside arc. Okay. And then select hash doesn't matter for round robin, true, and unwrap. So we're not doing, like, if I was being fancy, I would say if let for Rust, but we don't care. Upstream peer is whatever. And then set SNI. What is SNI? SNI. Oh, it's for. Oh, extension to the. Okay. Which allows the client to indicate the host name is connecting to. Okay. You see, I don't know much about the TLS handshake process. I can't say the R word, can I? I don't know. Yeah, I really don't know what can I do on YouTube, really. Can I say the R word? I don't think I can. We'll say regard. Regard is a good thing. Regarded. Box new. So yes, as mandated by the return type, it needs to be a box, right? And you do need to make an HTTP peer upstream. So as you recall, upstream is that thing, and then true. I don't know what that is, so I'll have to check the new parameters. This I'm assuming is. By the way, this is Cloudflare. This is if you don't already know, NSLOOKUP 1111 tells you 1111. Cloudflare owns that. And then .toString, so that makes the if you don't know, there's a str and there's a string in Rust. To_owned is just making a string object, I guess. And then OK peer, so you return the result. That sounds good. Okay. Does this work? Does this do anything? Also, what is the error? Expected what? What? Oh, I pasted that out of nowhere. Was it? Oh, actually no. That was supposed to be there. Is that? Did I copy it wrong? Wait. Let's see. Pingora. No, that's right. That's right. Am I doing this wrong? No. Whoa. What's the error, buddy? Whoa. What's the error? I have no freaking idea what's going on here. These are closed. Huh? Yeah, this should work. Let's see if it builds. If it does, maybe it's like an unstable version of Rust. What you can do is probably like just put it like here. That works, yeah. Same idea, I think. Wait, that's weird. I don't know if that's part of a Rust, like a nightly version or whatever. Okay, it builds. You know, that's yippee. What does it run? Okay, so let's see. In order for the 1.1.1.1 backend to accept our request, a host header must be present. Adding this header can be done by upstream request filter callback, which modifies the request header after the connection to the backends are established and before the request header is sent. Okay, wait. Let me just understand it real quick. After the connection to the backends are established, but before the request headers are sent. Okay, that makes sense. So you want to set it before you send it, but after it's been established. That definitely makes sense. And yeah, let's because that's all I know how to do. My brain, just doesn't work. Okay. And this also compiles, right? Yeah, and now let's create a proxy service that follows the instruction of the load balancer above. So yeah, from what I understood in the beginning, they wanted to pick between 1.1.1 and the 4 ones and then the 1001. Let me take a sip real quick. Okay. So here we created a load balancer with 2 backends. These the ones that I mentioned, and then the LB instance to okay. So we haven't used the HTTP proxy service yet, and then tell our server to host that proxy service. Okay. So let's take a look at this real quick. I'm trying to understand it. So we'll modify our main, but I also don't know what Bootstrap does. Did we already use Bootstrap? Is it something I overlooked? Probably. Yeah, we did. Oh yeah. I haven't actually gone through this whole thing. So what server is? What is the server? Bro, is Rust Analyzer still loading? Doesn't work. Brr. Okay, let me reload. Wait for it to load. Side note, I'm grateful for Rust. Things could have been better, but they could have been way worse. So it's as a novice, I can just like read through everything. I don't write Rust. I don't read Rust, but it's nice to be able to have a language that actually makes sense. I can't take a look at the documentation. Anyways, who cares? Regardless, so we're doing the same thing. We're making the server, we're doing the Bootstrap, whatever that does, and then here when we make the load balancer, try from iter. So I'm assuming this is a set of things that are given to passed on to this function, and then one wrap is just for turning it from result to the actual value. There you go. Now it works. Okay, so the object that represents the entire Pingora server process, which may have multiple independent services. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Let's try this thing. Okay. Okay. So we picked between these two. So the 1111, the 10001, and also, which I'm assuming I haven't used it, but is that also owned by? I mean, it's probably, yeah. It resolves to the same thing. So if you know, I personally don't think I use it. Do I? Do I have? I don't even have Helix. Vim. Do I have Vim? I do have Vim. Okay. So let's take a look at a host. Yeah, I don't use it. I use Spectrum for my internet provider, which I actually don't see here. But regardless, you can. Oh, my host is. Oh. It's like a local. Oh, I'm retarded. I said it. I shouldn't have said it. But yeah, there you go. I was looking at host instead of the thing. But if YouTube, I don't want to monetize this, but like I don't want it to get taken down because I want to come back to this video. So um, hopefully YouTube won't take it down. We'll be a good boy. Unwrap, which makes sense. Okay, so after you do that, then you make the HT proxy service. Has to be mutable somehow. Okay. And then add TCP. So that's the port that is opened locally. Okay. I'm assuming. And the configuration, my server. Oh, okay. So Bootstrap probably creates that configuration. We're gonna have to take a look at it then. Prepare the server to start. We're trying to zero downtime upgrade from an older version of. Ooh. Yeah, that's also pretty sexy. The fact that you can do zero downtime. I'm kind of like, wow, that's pretty impressive. You know, that's which should matter for Cloudflare. This is can't speak, indented incorrectly. This should be back here, I think. Do I have formatting or something here? Yeah. Nah, it doesn't work. I guess the Rust analyze, but I'm pretty sure they should be here. I don't know why they indented that line. For a second, I thought that's chained to this whole function, but no. So we made our load balancer. We HTTP proxy service, blah blah blah, and then we do that. Similar to before, but this time. This add TCP is pretty interesting. So that's the entrance to the server. Oh yeah, it is. Okay, so that then when you do add service, then you add the load balancer and then you run it for. Okay. So you say what was it? I don't even remember. Was it add service? Yeah, LB. Yeah, this is why I love Rust. Like I didn't have to like memorize anything. It's such an easy language. That's probably why the White House likes it. Cheers, laddies. Okay, that's wonderful. No, actually no. Let's not even use the browser. So what you told me, what Pangora quick start guide told me, is I can just curl it. Actually, I don't know any of these. I know verbose. I don't know any of these flags. So that's actually a good learning opportunity. So let's take a quick gander at these flags before I So S. Oh, so many. Yeah, if I had Emacs, life would be way easier. Why can't I find this? Maybe go backwards. Is it socket related? Bro, why is it taking so long? Oh, maybe if I do dash S comma. Yeah. Oh, it's silent. Oh, it's silent. Okay, silent required mode. But that makes. Wait, then what is V? Isn't that verbose? It is verbose. So I don't know. Is that like a oxymoron to be verbose and silent? But I don't know. What is? Oh, it has to do with. Let's see. Oh yeah. Let me do. Oh, output. That makes sense to put the output to dev null, right? Is that what they put? Yeah. Fine. That makes sense. Let's try it. I'm not gonna write it to dev null. I just want to curl it. Okay. So curl. Localhost. What port do we pick? Oh man, Westterm doesn't have DistroBox integration. You see, there's so many things I could do right now, but I'm too lazy. I gotta enter. Yeah, because I'm in Arch. See, I need to say the R word. I can't really not say it. Okay. So it was port 6188, which we can easily say 6188. It works! Yippee! Now, does it? Oh, I spelled localhost. Localhost. Yeah. Your free app that makes your internet safer. Now available for more devices. Wait, Cloudflare has an app? Wait, I want to see. Is it an app I can put on my phone? Just turn... Oh, is it their DNS thing? Makes your internet more safe. No one should be able to snoop on what you do. We've created so that you can connect to the internet. Is that a VPN? What is this? Wait. Turn with warp. Is it DNS over HTTPS? What? Avoid traffic jams. I don't know what that is. So it's good for grandma to use, but it's not a safe OPSEC app. I don't fucking know what that is, but it's okay. It's okay. And it writes the event. So, yay. And this is the cherry on top. As you can see, they're using the round robin algorithm to pick between 1.1.1.1 and 1.001. That's really cool. That's really cool. And then there's other algorithms, I'm assuming, as you know, where was it? Algorithms. Let's see. There is round robin, random selection. Well, those two. But pretty much, you can probably implement your own. So, really, really impressive. Okay. I'm bored of this already. You can add health check. I'm bored of it, but I kind of want to try this. I want to try it. I want to try some other things. How about this? I'll try some other stuff. If there's time, there never is. I'll come back to it. But this was pretty cool. We made a load balancer in God knows how many, less than 50 lines of Rust, mostly comments. Really cool, right? So I highly encourage you to try this out. I don't know. I don't have a use case for it. I mean, I do, but we have more issues at work, so more important issues. So not important. So I wouldn't bother using it myself. Oh, and wait. Sorry, before moving on. So you can use a configuration file. Wait, I want to skim through the rest of this, but okay. That's really interesting. So you can pretty much turn it into. They should make a standalone server. They maybe already have made it, but that's interesting. Okay. Thumbs up. Pretty cool. So that was project 1 that I wanted to try. Let's go back to trending here. Web check. All-in-one OSINT tool for analyzing any website. They have a website themselves. Analyze. Ooh, cool JavaScript animation. Let's try it out. So, sorry, I'm annoying. I don't know what website to try. Duck.com. What is duck.com? Oh, it's DuckDuckGo. Oh, I didn't know that. That's pretty cool. Here, let's see what we can find. Crunching data. Wow, that's plenty of info. Running 36 of 37 jobs. Holy crap. This is really cool. DNSSEC. Oh, redirects. Global ranking. HSTS. What is HSTS? Oh, HTTP strict transport security. Ooh, okay. So they do implement. Well, okay. These are the headers, the DNS records. Screenshots. Now this is useful. This is like all of these. Yeah, you can just do it with a command. This thing useful. Global ranking useful. Damn, it shows the rank over time. This is really cool. Hold up. Archive history. Oh, is it for Wayback? Oh, it is for Wayback Machine. Fantastic. TLS security issues. No entries available. Wow. TLS cipher suites. Wow. Linked pages. Wow. This is really sexy. Okay. Block lists. OpenDNS not. Okay. Wow. Okay. Okay. Download results. You download in in JSON. Okay. Okay. That's pretty cool. Results. I don't know. Pages. How does it enumerate pages? I'm curious to know. Oh, it uses the sitemap example. Damn. Damn. This is assets hiring how we work. I didn't even know they're hiring. Good for them. That's really cool. Okay, so actually I want to wait, sorry. So much happening that I'm like kind of really happy right now. Crawl rules. It tells you what a wait, is that their robot txt? Wait, or sorry, HT access maybe? No, that's just searches. But I don't know how. I don't think that would work. But that's pretty cool. IA archiver. That's how this program reaches it. I don't know. Web check. It's called web check. So IA archiver. I don't know what that is. Security. Oh. Never mind. I just realized IA archiver is for DuckDuckGo to allow. Okay. Disallow. What the hell? Disallow 2000. Oh, okay. Suspicious stuff. But damn, this is really cool. It's in Ireland. I didn't know that. Okay. So yeah, all in all, pretty cool program. I don't think I need to deploy it to try it out. This is pretty much easy to use. I want to see the screenshot. How do you get the screenshot? Linked pages. What are they? Oh, okay. Yeah, there you go. Free of the constraint of your browser IP or location. Yeah. You know. Oh yeah, you can probably deploy it like this too. Let's why not? Let's try it. And let me close this old load balancer. Yeah, Docker. The world revolves around Docker. But why isn't this too slow? Yeah, I'm an impatient person. I don't like seeing loading screens, and having a slow machine is not healthy for me. But let's see. Is it as good locally as it is on the publicly hosted blah blah blah? Oh, is it still not running yet? Oh, sorry. Oh, there you go. No server, and I'm assuming it's written in TypeScript, right? Where the hell is it? Where is it? There you go. So it's in here, TypeScript and JavaScript. Yep, frankly, sounds pretty good. Sounds very good. Okay, so now it should be running. 3K. Let's try it out. Let's try, what's a website that I'm curious about? OpenAI. There you go. That's a good website to scan. Woohoo! Woohoo! So much information. Like, if you like information like me, this would kind of be... Yeah, it's pretty sexy. Traceroute! By the way, now you can see my public IP. Can you? I'm pretty sure you can. Somewhere along the lines, yeah. I use Spectrum. Don't DDoS me, please. Is it up? It is up 200. Damn. AI regulate. Damn. I'll have to see how. Okay. Let's see. I didn't want to spend too much time on these type of projects, but let's. Now you understand how I waste my time. I don't know how you waste yours. Which part did I want to see? Oh yeah, so I wanted to see how do they get the pages. Is it the sitemap? Because Yeah, so this is something I was curious about. These links, none of them go to their implementation. Let's check on GitHub. Okay, pages. You see, I don't know much about the React structure. Results, home, blah blah blah. Components, progress bar, blah blah blah. These are the React components. No shit, I'm in components. Okay, there you go. So it should be in there. You go. Sitemap. Let's see. Return a card. Normal. Blah blah blah. How does it work? Makes expandable. Get path from URL. Okay, where's that? That's this. New URL. Okay, that just gets the path. I don't care. Oh, yeah. Map. Sitemap. How do you get the sitemap? Sitemap. Props data. Where's props? So I have to see where this is called. It's called. Oh, it's exported here. Oh, okay. Wait. So these are just components. How do they implement this? Forms, maybe? No, that's not. That wouldn't be it. Miscellaneous, types. That's for TypeScript. BS. API. No, that's not it. I don't really know. I don't know how to navigate this. Oh, does it show? Because I would have to clone this, and I don't want to clone it. I would have to clone it and then look at the references within the thing, or search for this. Because on GitHub, unlogged in. I don't want to log in right now. It doesn't have a really fair view of how the whole thing works. Like it's nice that you click on it, it shows references, but you can't really look at references in other files. Like if you click on search, it asks you to log in. So I want to do that. You know, kind of lazy. But regardless, this was a cool project. Thumbs up. You know, we're looking at cool projects. Automatic polyfill service. Okay, so it's a service which makes web development less frustrating, but by selectively polyfilling just what the browser needs. It reads the user agent. Oh, okay, now that's actually a good idea, because like, let's say I'm a crawler, right? I want to crawl Reddit. Now nowadays Reddit is they're even going public. By the way, let's go on a quick tangent. Reddit is going public, so, and it's happening. Okay. When, what is the, no, what is the expected valuation? I saw that was I forgot what it was. I saw it was like 35 per share, but anyways, my thought is, yeah, Reddit is like a pretty big a-hole right now. I don't want to think of them. Let's think of, I don't know, let's say Google. Google is less bad, right? Google is not evil at all. If you visit Google with a phone or with a laptop, it'll be two different things, right? Not just because of CSS stuff, but like you know, it's dependent, because like a phone, maybe a phone requires less resource usage, so maybe you would serve a different page, maybe you would serve it differently, maybe you would you know, things vary. So that's actually pretty cool. So let's see what this is. Your polyfill bundle. I don't understand. Delivers only the polyfills needed. Oh, is it like a little thing that I include? Sure. Default. Yeah. And how do I get the? Oh, is this what I would have to? Yeah, copy. Do you have docs at all? Bro, I want to see docs. Okay. Yeah, there you go. On the website. Okay. What? Is that it? So I get that. I can like take advantage of these things. Available polyfills. Boxes. But how do I use it in my website? Do I just import this? So let's I mean, they probably already use it themselves, right? I was gonna say, like, if I how do you go to console? Control Shift I? Yeah. It's like if I had a script tag that imported that thing. I don't understand. I don't want to try that out. That seems too inconvenient. And I didn't want to close it. Oh, I closed. Wait. I'm lost all of a sudden. GitHub. No. Yeah. Oh, was it in the previous tabs of this thing? Oh yeah, it is. Okay, okay. Never mind, never mind. But cool idea. I don't understand what's happening here. Is it just, I think it's just a minified JavaScript that I put as a script tag somewhere. I couldn't understand how people use it. Anyways. Human AIGC. Alibaba. Ooh. Alright, let's see. Emote portrait alike. Generating expressive portrait videos with audio to video diffusion model under weak conditions. Oh. Damn. Damn, that's pretty cool. Is it what is this? Is this a paper? I don't want to don't download it. Oh. Alright, let's do this. I also don't know how my audio is being streamed. Hopefully good. Imagine if I'm recording this whole thing and none of this works. So how do you see audio? Stream health. It's healthy. That's all that matters, right? Yeah, let's not worry about that right now. Anyways, yeah, close this. Oh, I can't close it that way. Podman kill. What is it called? Suspicious Matsumoto. Okay, there you go. Let's watch this. I don't have MPV. Oh, that makes sense because I'm on the host. I don't have it here either. Yeah, this is a new machine for me. You know, I'm not really full on taking advantage of all the things here. If you are a Steam Deck user, definitely use this OS. I'm not on a Steam Deck, but this is made for a Steam Deck. It's like has more features than a Steam OS thing. Well, let's see. Well, let's see what this is.
I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. We were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it.
When I was a kid, I feel like you heard the term, don't cry. You don't need to cry. Crying is the most beautiful thing you can do. I encourage people to cry. I cry all the time, and I think it's the most healthy.
I can buy myself flowers.
I am mind blown at this. This is wow. Sorry. This is crazy. Wait, I want to see the.
With an AK melee, finish at it like a play date, but a vacate, ray flames like an.
What my goals are, sort of in life, at work, and kind of guides me through and coaches me.
Well, I want to see Mona Lisa.
And in this manner, he was to imagine me his love, his mistress.
There's no shame in that. There's no shame in how you're feeling.
Even learn
On that face.
And
Why so serious?
你们人啊，理解我的意思没有？见熊猫吃熊猫，见金丝猴吃金丝猴，见这个。
Policy, so it's on track to try and get these tax plans and particularly tax.
Damn.
Colleagues in the Senate to pass the Lower Drug Costs Now Act. The American people cannot wait.
Damn. That's crazy. That's, you know, the deepfakes are about to get way crazier. I'm glad. Free certifications. You know, I'm just gonna say this. I got my degree in computer science. I'm getting my master's in software engineering, and I never thought I'd say this. Certifications are more valuable than university degrees because, you know, it makes sense because you're a cog in the big machine, I guess. You help grind the gears. You're not really there for your ideas, you're there for your work. Now, granted, if you're at a higher position, you're smarter than me, you're going for like big fang companies. Now they're called Mongo. I don't know what the acronym is for the big five, but certs are important, And yeah, I mean, I don't know what to say. It sucks because like I'm a grad student and working, and the most valuable thing that I have is my AWS cert. So, but just letting you know, you don't have to be in IT, you don't have to be in cybersecurity. Like even if you're in software development, these things are important, especially DevOps. If you're in DevOps, definitely get your. I need to get my Terraform cert, but yeah, I don't know why, but it's interesting, and I don't think these are valuable like for employers. Maybe what the hell is that? Deep learning cert. What the hell is that? Coursera. Damn. I'm gonna become a machine learning expert. But yeah, for those type of things, probably a university degree, college degree, they're better because it's more theoretical. You can't just learn the math by watching YouTube videos. You have to actually do work. But generative AI for beginners. Let's see. And it's Microsoft. Okay, so see, now that's good. That's something I want to watch. It's probably a couple of Jupyter notebooks. Check out our collection of generative AI code samples in both Python and TypeScript. They have TypeScript generative AI. Wow. Building a startup. Damn. Holy shit. Damn. That is pretty cool. The fact that they're offering this whole thing. OpenAI has gone off the rail as to what their goals are. They used to be Open AI, now they're OpenAI Incorporated. So I don't know. It's just, and Elon Musk sued them. So but that's cool. That's good that they're still like helping. What is this? Is this different than emo? Also, what is human AI GC? Let's understand this. Alibaba Tongyi XR. So I'm assuming it's the research facility that operates under Alibaba. Animate anyone. It might be similar to the same thing, except instead of speak. So it might be similar technology. Oh yeah, let's see the paper. That's a cool GitHub badge. That's interesting. Image to video. Wow. I mean, they probably have a video here. No, they don't. They just have an image. Do they have a demo? Where's the demo? Where's the oh, YouTube. There you go. Sorry, I'm blind. What the damn? Now this is cool. See, I personally don't understand any of this. What is reference net? What is denoising unit? So they're probably like neural networks, but like, yeah, understanding those things is actually, I think, pretty cool. Bitnet. Now this is something I heard about recently. It was on Hacker News, featured something, right? I don't know, but Agora, the multi-model AI. But TLDR, this is what I understood as an outsider who knows virtually nothing. I took a course in data mining. I took a course in machine learning, and I took higher level math. I have a minor in math, and none of it helps with understanding this whole thing. But from what I understood, the whole bit thing helps makes it more optimal, basically, more efficient, from what I understood. But I could be very well wrong. You can implement them, and this is somewhat my bad, but yeah, I don't have a good GPU, so PyTorch is gonna run awful on this. Maybe I can use Hugging Face. Hugging Face would be better. But yeah, I'll probably explore maybe in the future, quote unquote future. I don't know when. Maybe I'll be able to if I build a PC, I could do streams related to AI stuff. Maybe I can finally learn a little thing or two, but Now this is something I also saw recently. I didn't click on it, but it's pretty cool. I generally, personally, what I do when I want to host a Windows machine on Linux, I use Camus KVM. I download a Microsoft has these VMs. They offer for free. They're valid. Like you don't even get the not activated thing. Thank you, Microsoft, for providing these. But yeah, they're really cool. So I usually use the and then just another corollary to this. They already say it here. I don't know. Yeah, there you go. They do say it. Yeah, they have WSL. They have Visual Studio, not Visual Studio Code. They actually have Visual Studio with some SDK, I guess. Developer mode enabled and Windows Terminal. Now, as I said earlier in the video, I don't use Windows Terminal. I use this WesTerm thing. Windows Terminal is great in terms of interface. It looks way better than this, but it is very slow. I don't like it. So, but yeah, it's really nice that they have WSL. So I use this generally. It is huge. It is huge. If you want a smaller thing, you gotta use Tiny 11, which also I don't know why I put that. It is somewhere on archive.org. I mean, this is the official thing. It's made by this person, NT Dev. I don't know, some Romanian dude. I don't know who that is. Let's see their YouTube video. Who's making of. So maybe these videos are more in depth. Maybe they would help. But regardless, I'm not gonna go through all that. Now this is interesting to me. This runs a Windows VM using Docker, which is really crazy. Let's do this. Windows in Docker. And I'm sorry, I'm doing this again. I don't have a thing to edit. No, I don't. Okay, that sucks. Okay, now let's run this. Do I have a Podman compose? Yeah, here. CD Windows. So Podman compose up. And which ports are executable? Not Docker compose not found. Oh man, do I have Docker? I don't have Docker. Now that's a pickle. Let's just do that normal thing without Docker compose. And yes, apparently it's in Docker Hub. Not quite. By the way, if you don't know, Docker Hub is owned by Docker Incorporated. There is Quay, which is a Red Hat thing, I think. I'm not sure. Downloading Windows 11. Let's see. It's downloading it directly from Microsoft. Nice. And it's written in Shell. Wow. Damn, this is really cool. Samba Sage. I want to blow my nose. Hold up. Let me do the thingy. Here, does it work? It does work. Okay. I'll be back in like a few seconds. Just I'm gonna blow my nose. I'll be back. Hello. My back. Me and Bestie. I called it me and Bestie for this thing. But my package came too. Here, let me readjust myself. Okay. Where was I? Oh yeah, so this thing. So also where am I? It's still downloading. I don't know if this will affect the YouTube latency thing, but we'll see. Blah, 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 blah. Writable, yes. Guessed, okay, yes. So these are Samba things, which let me just go back to the command. Actually, we can just look at it here. So Is there no volume? Okay, so there's no volume. That's not good. That's not good because hold up. You see, that's another, I guess, issue. The ISO. Now you might argue this one way or another. I would argue ISO should be bundled with the Docker image. Valid for 24 hours. Interesting. But you see what I'm saying, right? Because like, if it's bundled, you just pull the Docker image, and I guess it will be actually maybe, I don't know. I really don't know. No idea. Extracting Windows 11 image. My poor laptop is going through emotional experiences. Let me actually, I want to watch this before. I want to see if my CPU is on balanced mode or not. It's on 3.9. I guess it's doing okay. I don't know. The tune device is missing. Ah, it's cuz I'm not using Docker. Should I? Do I trust this dude? Yeah, fuck it, why not? Let's just, I mean, I don't want to download it again. But I'll take your word for it. I'll take your word for it, Docker. You're I don't know who you are. Docker. Okay. Whoever this organization / person is, good on you. I'm assuming it's this person. Eco Ashermine, I trust you. But I don't want to download it again. So yeah. Blah, 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 blah. Where was I? We're going back to. Oh, it wasn't here. It was here. Okay. What? What? Fuel client. Full node implementation of the Fuel v2 protocol? What is Fuel? What is Fuel? Let's see. Fuel v2. Let's see what it is. Fuel network. Designed by Nazi Germany during World War II as a retaliation weapon against the Allied cities. Oh, never mind. That's not the same. Is it like some crypto BS? Block production disabled. That sounds an awful lot like blockchain. Is it? Is it? What is this? GraphQL service. What is this? What am I looking at? Yeah, it is blockchain. I'm assuming, from what I understood, it's like an Ethereum BS thing. Should I run it? Yeah, see, this is one of the disadvantages of not having viewers. Like, I can't see, like, I can't say, is this valid chat or should I run this chat? Xtask build. Yeah, not a crypto dude myself, but if you are, check it out, I guess. You know, not sure what Fuel is. Good for them. Anyways, MO papers of the week. Now this is cool. Now, by the way. Bing. Do I have it installed? I don't have Bing. With Bing, you can have you can research. How do I say it? You can have Copilot summarize papers for you. So if you haven't tried that already, I would highly recommend it. And if you're on Linux, you're like, am I regarded for wanting to do that? Yeah, no, it's actually a good browser. I keep saying Bing. I meant Edge. It's a decent browser. You're selling your data to Microsoft, but in turn they give you gift cards for rewards that you get from Bing. So it's a give and take. MO papers of the week. Yeah, I'm gonna install Edge. I'm edging. Pretty cool. I'll maybe check it out. The future home of the river reverse proxy based on the Pingora. Oh, there you go. Memory safety. Oh, this is what they were referencing. Oh, okay. So, flashback to the early parts of the thing. So they're built. So I asked the question. I was like, well, Pingora does it have a like a standalone server? And this apparently is the standalone server. I only see docs. What to build? I guess this is like the project requirement. I don't know. Uh, that's exciting. That's something cool. Turns data and AI algorithms into production-ready web applications in no time. Wow. You see, I wasn't intending on making a stream slash video. I don't know what you want to call this, but honestly, if I'm gonna do this more often, I should have like some GPT-4 token thing ready somewhere so that I could try these projects. With I would just feed them. What is happening in this demo? You can put properties like that in VS Code? In Tamil? What? What am I looking at? Okay. Let's see. Let's look at this GIF. Do they have a video of this? The scenario. Okay. That's pretty interesting. TypeHigh. Not gonna try it, but that looks pretty cool. Wazoo or Wazaa. I don't know. This is this is not a new thing. This has been around for many moons, but it's cool. Seam is a like SIE seam. Yeah, I don't know how to what does seam stand for. Let me see if I can get this right. I is for information, maybe. E is for endpoints. S is security, information. SI management. M is for management. Intrusion. I don't know. Okay, let's ask it. What is seam? Seam. It's security, information, event management. I got 3 of them right. Okay, that's good. That's good. I'm not fully regarded. Okay, but yeah, this is a pretty cool tool. I've never tried it on my local machines. Honestly, let's try it. They do. They do. Let's try it. Do I have to pay for their API to just run a single thing? And I know it's pretty demanding. Like, you saw that it's written in C, but this shit's heavy. Yeah, I don't know if I'll try it. Man, okay, so another challenge I'm facing with this whole format of like trying stuff out is what's it called? I don't have a decent. I already said it plenty of times, but I don't have like AI stuff ready, AI infrastructure ready. I don't have a GPT token. I don't have a GPU, so things like that might be necessary. I've heard of poetry, never tried it. It looks pretty cool. Let's see. Well, I guess let's try it. I honestly don't see why I shouldn't try it. It replaces setup pi, it replaces requirements, replaces. Yeah, I've seen all of that. I haven't seen that many pip files, but I have seen a lot of setups and that things. Okay, let's see. And it's Tamil. Tamil is. How do you say Tamil out loud? TOML. Do you just say T on, or I just say Tamil? That's easier. Anyways, well, let's try it. Okay, that's an example. Let's look at the documentation. Okay, so let's make a little thing. Oh, I don't have the thing. Okay. What am I gonna do? Enter. Yes. Try and, or let's go to temp. I don't want to keep this. Try and poetry. Pipax. Do I have Pipax first of all? No. What is Pipax? I don't know. I'll have to check that out too. With the official installer. Oh, I don't want to. Yeah, curl pipe Python. That's secure. Manually advanced. Yeah, honestly, that doesn't matter. Pipax. I'll just do pip install, whatever. Yeah, let's just do pip install poetry. Who cares about security, am I right? Okay. Tab completion, wow. Very fancy. They don't have new shell. Oh, I should probably make a video on new shell. That's something I use very often. Like, holy crap. You would not believe how you I don't oh, do I have I don't have it. Okay, it's definitely worth looking at. Trust me, it's something. Okay. Okay, so how do I have a getting started thing, like a project setup? So, oh, okay, so that's how you make a project. So let's try poetry new demo. Let's see. Fancy colored output. No, sir. I am not smart. Okay, do I have tree? Okay, so it looks pretty cool. That looks pretty cool. This will orchestrate your project, blah, 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 blah. It looks like this. Okay, let's see. Pi project. Okay. Your name, readme, dependencies. Okay. Now, how do I include more dependencies? Or you can do poetry in it. Okay, that's fine. Operating modes. In this mode, okay. Specifying dependency. Yeah, so let's try this. I'm curious how you do this. So, Python version is specified. That's really cool actually, because many times, you know, things are not in your Python version. I want to try Selenium or that requires a WebDriver. Let's try Selenium. Who cares? Yeah, what is pendulum? I'm curious. Pendulum. Pendulum. I didn't know Perplexity has latex. That's pretty cool. Pendulum. Pendulum Python. I misspelled it, but hey. Yeah, what is this? Date times. Oh, yeah, that's a silly project. Let's actually add Selenium. Selenium Pi. How do you say this? I'm actually not sure. Okay, so you just do Selenium. What version do I want to? What if I don't specify version? Can I not specify version? Let's go back to poetry. Or you can also do that. Let's try that. Okay, so I remove this line. I say poetry add. Fuck yeah. Sorry. Add Selenium. How does it work? Creating virtual env. Oh, that's cool. Updating dependencies. Pretty neat. Pretty neat. Installing adders. Nice. So one observation I'll make is it looks definitely nicer than pip. It is. What? Why do you need... What? What the hell? I don't know what Selenium wants to do, but it's scaring me. It's scaring me. What is going on, bro? What is... Oh, that was the completion thing. What is going on? That is IDNA. What the hell is IDNA Python? What is that? Oh. Okay, that's fine. Sorted containers. That's taken a while. You see, I'm bored now. Poetry is cool. I trust you. But I just want to try poetry run. What? Not enough arguments. Oh, you say which file you want to run. So I say demo initpy permission denied. Oh, is it because of here, make it executable. Bro, this is annoying. This is annoying. Okay, it's a module. I get it. I get it. But like, is there like a? Can I specify where the entry is? Not something I want to try right now. I'll have to look into poetry in the future, but haven't needed it. Generally, Nix does the job. UniLM. Large scale, self-supervised. Pre-training across tasks, languages, and modalities. Wow. Big words. Good for them. Torch scale, library. Okay, no, I'm not looking at that yet. Ooh, what is that? IORedis. It's a Redis client for Node.js. 100% written in TypeScript and official declarations are provided. Yay. So I don't have I guess let's try it. Honestly, I'm curious. I haven't touched JavaScript, like Node.js. Let's make blah 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 blah. Basic usage. How do you? I honestly don't know. How do you start a project? npm to make like create npm init and yeah. So not trying poetry. Let's. What was I gonna type? Oh yeah. So IORedis. I just want to see what it's like. Nothing. I don't want to spend too much time on it. Sure. Yeah. Don't care. Yeah. Why not? Okay. Now. Okay. Let's do that. Now we'll add this as well. Now let's try this. Also, what is package.json run? Bruh. Let's add a run. Try.js. Let's call it that. Okay. What's here? Yeah. Try.js. Let's see what this is. Actually, can I just do node try.js? Oh, I don't have Redis installed. Does this work with? No, it doesn't. Okay. Give me 1 second. Okay, so I want to install Redis real quick. So we'll do that. Easy to do. Yeah. And I just have to start Redis server. Okay, port is correct. Okay, it's running. Now, why am I coming here? No, Alt tab. There you go. Let's try it again. Yeah, that works. What just happened? Okay, so it created a Redis instance. Returns a promise, which resolves to OK. Redis get key. Okay. That's pretty cool. Promises in JavaScript are cool. zadd. What is zadd? Okay. I hate to do this, but let's do this. I'm gonna also. Did I get an event? No. How do I do TypeScript autocompletion? I remember it was some actually don't remember. What was it? There's a language server for it. TypeScript. This thing. Yeah. Let's install this. I keep coming back to that. Let's try this. Oh. This operation was rejected. You do not have permission to access this file. Ah. Let's do sudo. Nice. Because why not? Try.js. Okay. There you go. Now I'm getting this bullshit. Maybe convert it to it's a common JS. Okay, yeah. So what I wanted to see what Ziad is. Any definition not found. What the hell? I want to see what this is. Yeah, I know what that is. Okay, so you can go to the definition of that. It doesn't show any docs. Okay. Brr. Let's go back here. Okay. Reply. What are these? No. No. I wanted to look at... Yeah, what was Ziad? That's what I want... So set and get makes sense. It's was that like a Redis specific thing? Let's see. Ziad Redis. Oh, adds all the specified members with the specified scores to the sorted set. Okay. Okay. For a second I thought it's like a special thing with the library. Okay. Z range, sorted set. Pretty cool. Nice. Hello. Okay. Yeah, I mean, nothing special. I just wanted to try it out. It is very simple. I would argue that this is the simplest I've seen. I've tried it in Python, and Python doesn't have some like promises, and the notation looks pretty. Like, look at this arrow. Look at all these things. You can hear like add a dot. Why do I not get auto completion? It's like my biggest struggle in life. I just can't get auto completion. Just type catch. Nothing. Catch. There. E. Console error. E. Like literally, that's all I'm trying to do. Yeah, and then yeah. So but yeah, the TLDR Python doesn't have this. Node does. Good for Node. Nothing interesting. Where's Redis? Okay. Good library. Fuel RS, Fuel Network. Yeah, I keep seeing this. It's a crypto, huh? Sway. See, when I see Sway, I think of the window manager, but for Fuel, it doesn't explain what Fuel is. Is it a coin? What is this? What are these? Is it like something blockchain related? I don't know, man. I'm good. Embed chain. Open source RAG framework. RAG is for LLMs, right? Deploy AI apps. At its core, embed chain follows the design principle of conventional but configurable to serve both server engineers and machine learning engineers. Sorry about that. Okay. Okay. Oh. Wait a sec. See, this is why I freaking need it. I need a GPT-4 key. And yeah. I mean, if I had a good GPU, I would have hosted it at home. But yeah. Okay, did I literally go through all of these? I don't want to continue using embed chain, but pretty decent. What I would want to try. Kind of don't want to end the stream yet. And I was gonna try well, actually we were gonna try lobsters, huh? Because lobsters had some tools that were interesting. Saved by you see these headlines catch my eyes because I'm like, head scale. You know what head scale is, right? Head scale is like a open source implementation of Tailscale's server, which is, you know, Tailscale. I use Tailscale. It's like a ngrok, but for VPNs, I guess. I don't know how to explain it. Deploying fiber in the home. A zero install stat. Yeah, so let's try this. What is this? Zero install static site hosting service for hackers. Getting started. Okay, that looks pretty cool. Publish your website with one command. Pretty neat. Not gonna lie. Let's try it. Okay. SSH Pico. Oh, Pico SH. Sorry, brain not working. And I need to somehow publish my um. I have SSH keys, don't I? No, I guess not on this machine. Let's generate some. Don't care, don't care. Let's try it. Okay. To create an account, enter a username. Now that also just a little comment about this. If when you try to SSH, actually let's explain this. I just wanted to show you this. When you do this, oh no. I don't know if you caught that. When you try to SSH, your client tries a couple of stuff. It tries the key, I think, at one of the first tries, and I think when the key was presented, they caught that right there, which was pretty impressive. I didn't expect them to do that. Create and enter a username. Jiminy Cricket, Billy Bob. What goofy name should I give it? Edgelord. There. Username. Manage tokens. Well, I don't understand what the question is. Manage keys. Oh. Here are my keys. Okay. Exit. Okay. Once I created it, what do I do? Set a username and you're ready to start using. Okay, so let's try the username I created, Edgelord. See the same thing. Pico plus no, manage keys. That is my key. Manage tokens. Here are the tokens linked to your account. Okay, I don't have any, so let's create one. A name used for your reference. Token. Save it. Okay, I'll copy this. Here, copy. Okay. They don't have mouse support. Okay. Blah, 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 blah. They have an IRC bouncer. Where is their the username? Okay. Oh, that's how you make it. Okay. So edgelord.picosh. There's nothing in there. Okay. Next steps. And how do you wait? Huh. Do I have rsync? I do have rsync. You all should try rclone. It's way better. But let's try blah, blah, blah. Brr. Here, index HTML. Brr. I am I am greeting you. Pico SH. I keep thinking Pico SSH. Alright, so let's try our clone thing, sure. Edgelord. I thought it would work. But what am I missing? Manage your projects. Yeah. What am I doing wrong here? I saw that thing that was like visit this page after you create it. I forgot to do that. CMS, they call it a CMS. I mean, it technically is a CMS. Oh, not that. Yeah, I meant to say Edgelord. Manage tokens. I mean, I do have a token. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure what's happening. I guess I have to do some with their IRC. Libero chat. Pretty cool though. The idea behind it is really interesting because I don't like big things for like deploying simple stuff. So it's actually really convenient if you want just to deploy a simple website. How user groups, blah blah blah. I just want to look at cool projects, like open source projects. List of leap day bugs. Let's see that actually. The software pay including the damn. This is actually kind of funny. But no, let's go back here. I was gonna go into show new. Okay. Or maybe just the good news, you know. I don't know what any of those are. Let's see. ETL. Oh, is it for connect? Okay, wait, what? No. Reverse ETL. What is ETL? Extract, transform, load. Okay. Not interesting to me. Decon app. It's a decentralized. Cardano. Wow. That's actually pretty nice. At Decon, we believe in empowering users and fostering a secure, decentralized. That's actually really cool. Still color. Okay, that's for Mac OS. Huh. Too lazy to try it out. SEPA. Okay. Cross-platform. Sure. Yeah. I don't want to do that. What about Olama? I want to try Olama. I don't know if I have it installed. I have it installed. I don't have it installed. Mistral AI. No. Oh, wait. Yeah, here. I do have Perplexity. Should I give him that? I mean, I don't get it. Is it just a chat app? What does it do? Fetch URL, sure. Okay. It's just front end. Mojo language syntax highlighting for Vim. By the way, Mojo, if you don't know it already, it's a new alternative to Python, which takes inspiration from lower level languages. The whole purpose is to use everything in a single language. So like a lot of these computationally intensive projects rely on divvying up the project into Python and C++. This thing doesn't do that. Which is pretty cool. And yeah, syntax highlighting for Vim. Predicting text using only... Whoa. This is cool. That's cool. Try it here. Let's see. Hello, my fears and used provolone. Haskell is all you can do is let it go toxic. Damn, that's really cool. Feed-centric chat platform? Feed-centric. Huh. It 2x's my productivity. I doubt that. My productivity's in the negatives, dude. You can't make it worse. Workout tracker, self-hosted single binary web application. Inspired by Fit Tracky. Okay, that's another. So it keeps track of what? Oh, how much you walked and. Okay. I'll get a Fitbit. Never. Replay your typing in few lines of JavaScript. This is something I've already tried. This is something I saw, and it was crazy. Look. I'll show you. I don't know what to type. Human is the new, and I delete it, let's say, and I type it again, new black, right? Now look at this. Human is it's with my typing speed, and I delete it right there. Isn't that crazy? Look at that. And it generates this code. And it's really, really impressive in my opinion. Just saying, it's really, really cool. And I mean, their argument is, everything is AI, might as well make things more human, which I agree with. Vision Pro LLM, which was pretty cool, but it was tiny LM. It wasn't. I don't think it has a lot of RAM or a decent GPU. I don't even know what the APU is on. Is it an APU on the Vision Pro? I don't know. Anyways, a job board for Android developers. Doesn't load. Oh, it's loading? I don't know. Simple portfolio builder. Extremely fast. Very simple. Yeah, not interested. Yeah, I think these are not that interesting. I guess I thought Show HN would be pretty cool, but it's not. Oh, this one is. What is that? Flexible and concise Lisp. What is that? Oh, there's a book. Functional and array programming. Camilla Lisp, the language is from previous iterations of Malbolge Lisp, and wow. There's a whole book for this. It's inspired by Haskell and APL. These are words that my ears cannot what's the right word? It's like eye candy technically, but wow. Let's try it. Yeah, honestly, let's try it. And I don't have Maven, so that might not work. Yeah. How do I install it? My instinct tells me I cannot type. My instinct tells me I cannot type. Let's try it. Allows for actor programming, concurrent programming, imperative programming, functional programming, array programming, pure functional programming, object-oriented programming, rudimentary logic programming, mathematical programming, backend development, numerical and scientific computation, scripting and system administration, symbolic computation, real and complex analysis, tacit programming, concurrent programming, event-driven programming. In more detail, holy crap! This is like every paradigm that I know of. Every paradigm that I know of. What the hell? And it's active. When was this freaking book written? Wait. Should I read this? It was written 21 to 23. Okay. Many ideas from Haskell, Standard ML, APL, Schema, and others. Damn, this is wow. Hold up. Okay. Let's Maven package it. Damn. Yeah, that's too many features. McLaren series expand. Oh my god. Okay. Wow. SKI calculus. Okay, if you don't know, SKI calculus is combinators, in simple terms, lambda calculus, but with easier notation. So I means the same thing. So IX gives you X. K combinator takes two things and gives the first thing. And the S combinator, if I'm not wrong, it applies this to both Y and Z and applies them together. And then, as you know, the Y combinator is used for recursion. But holy crap! And you can do. Wait, I don't understand. Wait, this is. Oh, it's running the tests now. Test car and encoder. Test lambda. Test reverse rotate. Test lines. Wow. This is like something that I'm Basic metrics on page. I am mind blown at this. Not even lying. This is test cast has taken a while. All the tests are passing. Although code coverage is 22%, but which is good. I don't want to wait till this is ready, but holy crap, this is cool. Ha 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 ha. I'm just reading through the features. Tail call optimization. I mean, I should probably, huh? On-the-fly lexical scanner generation. Function composition partial application. You got currying. You got variadic functions. You got static scoping. Wow. Wow. This is like a Lisper's dream. This is like if you grabbed all the Lisp enthusiasts and put them in a room and asked them one by one, what do you want to do with Lisp? And you put all those answers together, you get this. This is like, I'm really fascinated by this. Not even lying. This is holy crap. The one thing that is interesting to me is that it's written in Java, which is why I needed to use Maven, obviously. I don't know how complex it would be. Like, actually, I have it cloned, so I can just visit it locally. Wow. Wow. What did I? Oh, did I clone it in temp? Oh, this is one thing I don't want to clone in temp. But it's fine. Whereas Project Euler. What? Are these the solutions? Let's see the first one. Let's see the first one. That's IOTA. That thing is used in APL for creating ranges. What the hell is happening here? What is that operation? Lift or? My mind is oh, it failed to build. Aw, that sucks. We'll use the precompiled binaries. I don't care. Version whatever that is. And no, I'm not gonna trust your thing. Oh, that's the thing. No, I don't want to do that. Holy crap. Like literally, holy crap. How do you run this? So is it Java jar? I don't know. I don't even know how you run these things. Camilla Lisp dash. Huh? Oh. How do you run a jar file? Is it dash jar? On the CLI, I guess. How do I say it? In the CLI? Yeah, Java dash jar. Okay, yeah, that's right. Java dash jar. Camilla Lisp. Okay. Huh. End of file tab can't do it. Let's try it. Okay. How do you see types? Let's see some examples. Yeah, the SKI. This is wait, what? The application. Huh. Is that part of the code? Wait. That is part of the code, I think. Oh, what the fuck is converge? Bro. Like. I applied to I is I, but also K applied to I applied to K is still I. Together they're nothing. But wait, let's try. Okay, what is this? This is APL. This is literally APL. Row. No, row. I don't know what phi is. I know iota is range. Like if you do just iota to like 100, or I don't know. How does this work? No. Or can I? How does the notation work? Holy crap! This is who made this? This is the important question. Who made this? Wannabe mathematician, array lang, low-level programming, 19-year-old. What is this person is a genius. I'm not even gonna lie. Whoever this person is, they used Hugo to generate their website, but this is like what the hell? That is crazy. That is genuinely crazy. There is a to-do as well. What the hell? Holy shit. If I was logged in, I would start this. This is probably... I wonder what the Hacker News comments are. Yeah, Genius Prodigy. Yeah. Talks. Data compression. What the fuck? Damn. Contribution to Ghidra GCC. Yeah, this is I'm just mind blown, not gonna lie. Mind blown. Okay. I'm gonna have to look at that quite a lot. That's a language that has a lot of potential. On the trial of Dennis, I don't know. Weather.gov 2.0. Okay. What is Conway's law? Let's see. I don't understand. Wikipedia describes the link between the communication structure of an organization and the systems they design. It is named after the Conway, like John what's it called? Wait, is that the same Conway as No, that's a different one. Sorry. Not to be confused with the other Conway. Was introduced. It was original. Organizations which design systems in the broad sense and used here are constrained to produce designs which are copies of the communication structures of these organizations. What? Okay. I guess I'm just gonna keep with more than its users. A lack of overall strategy, feedback / monitoring the tools have perpetuated. Okay. This is better weather.gov. Okay. Introduction to data science. Wow. Researchers create AI worms that can spread from one system to another. Let's go. Finally. That's actually pretty interesting. Tool for glamorous shell scripts. What is that? Walter. Put your dick away, Walter. What should I do with this information? What? Huh? Wait, I don't... How does it look? Okay, let's try it. How do I blah 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 blah. Damn. Okay. No, I want the usage is cool. How do you install it? Oh, it's pre-packaged maybe. I'm not gonna gloss over this language. This was the most mind-blowing thing I had seen since I discovered Haskell. Like APL, all that, like were all interesting, but the fact that this person smushed them all together into a Lisp, I don't know what to say. I don't have any. I'm out of words. I'm out of words, genuinely. But let's see. Gum, bubble gum. Is it packaged? No. How do you manually do this? Oh, it's a Nix shell. I have Nix running here. Here. There you go. Yay, it works. Fetching source from cache.nixos.org. Now you gotta build it. Oh, I want to try this out. Or is it already? Oh, it's fetching the dependencies. I have a strong feeling it would have been. Yeah, I don't want to download a whole gigabyte. It would have been quicker to just to clone this and then build it locally. Yeah. Actually, I'm already in it, so yeah. Does it go build? Ah, I don't have Golang installed. Here, go. All you've seen me do today is just DNF install. Yeah, quick. Yeah, good. No, I already installed it. Gumwrite placeholder details of this change. Okay, so I want to see what it looks like. Oh, also that website that we just visited. What was it? Pico SH. Maybe they were using this. Let's check it out again. Pico SH. Is it open source? Let's see. This is the thing, the log file thing. Is it in Go Sum? Oh no, Sum is the log file. I don't think they use Gum, do they? Maybe Gum uses the same thing as this, because they looked awful lot similar. Where was it? Go mod. What do they use? There's a lot of dependencies, but because I saw that button, and the button looks very, very familiar. Very familiar. Anyways, okay. It is built. What's in? Is there a build? Is there an out? Is there a gum? It's right there. Okay, gum. Woohoo! Choose or confirm. Yes, I'm sure. And if I say no, oh, so look. If I say yes, the exit code was 0, and if I say no, the exit code was 1. That's cool. Choose. Let's choose between I don't know, AMD or Nvidia. I pick Nvidia. Ooh, then it returns it. A table. I don't. Oh no, table. No data provided. 1 2 3. I don't. How does it work? I want to see examples. How do you run this? Okay. Examples. Oh no, not examples. Just. Oh, log. What is log? Oh, it makes a fancy log. Output. Whatever you want to call it. Okay. Connect to a TMAX session. Ooh. Gum filter. Oh, it's like you can kind of treat it like FZF, huh? Like if I say ls, and if I say gum gum filter, yeah, you can select like the. That's actually pretty darned cool. I like it. And you can type, right? And yeah, you can type. That's good. Choose a pull request to check out. That's cool. Pick a command from shell history. Ooh, now that's something I like. Sudo password input. Please. Yeah, this is pretty cool. I like it. I might use it in the future. EFF argues. Well, okay. Cowsay. I know Cowsay. I might even already have it. Do I have Fortune? No, I don't have Fortune. Cowsay is not installed. Yeah, but anyways. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Let's see what's new. Yeah, that's an article. I'm not gonna. I feel like reading articles on stream is kind of boring, and what's the word? I don't wanna. I don't have the patience for it. I'm sure no one wants to watch that. I don't like if I come back to this video, I wouldn't want to watch it either. Yeah. Yeah. What are test containers? Unit test with real dependencies. Ooh. Huh. I have to check that out. That sounds pretty cool. Anyways, I'm out of things to try right now. Sure there's always more, but also this looks pretty cool. The little icon. Yeah, this person is a freaking genius. I'm gonna have to try this stuff out. That was really interesting. No. Where was I? Oh yeah, I just wanted to check out the trending one last time to see if I glossed over anything that I could have tried. We tried web check. We looked at all these videos, cool videos. Animate anyone. Fuel core was blockchain stuff. I guess I shouldn't be more averse to blockchain, and that actually could be used for good stuff. But I don't know. I'm just apprehensive about it. Huh? Huh? I gotta read the paper to understand this, but that looks pretty cool. Huh. Might have to check this out. This actually sounds like something I'm interested in. Anyways, Yuzu. Wait, what's Warp Clash API? Oh, the Cloudflare Warp. I still don't know what it is. I'll have to. Oh, Gem. My God, I forgot about Gemma. So, I'll have to try it. Also, I haven't tried Llama RS, which is also pretty cool. I don't think it's on par with Llama CPP, which is what I use. They reference Llama C, but not Llama CPP, which is very sad to me. This is what I use. This is the OG, which is built using GGML, right? I think so. But anyways, I want to try it. Okay. Obtain the gamma model. So let me get the gamma model. Gamma. Upvote, sure. How do I get the model? I want to download it. No, I don't. I'm not willing to use either. By the way, I don't have to do any of that. I can just go to no, sorry, was it labs.perplexity AI. They have it right here. I could just try it here. Gamma 27B. What is Obama's last name? I'm not able to provide any political. I saw this the other day and I couldn't believe it with my eyes, but it is real. I'm not able to provide. Anyways, well, yeah, that's pretty cool. I wanted to try it out, maybe like skim through the code. I don't understand anything about transformers, but it was pretty cool to see. Movie web. Movie web. What is this? It's like, how does it watch? Do you have to have the files locally? Oh, from third-party providers inside an intuitive and aesthetic. What third-party providers? To be simple. Let's try it. Let's. And they don't have a Docker file, huh? Do they? Do they? They do have a Docker file. Is it complete? Does it look complete? Huh, huh, huh. Yeah, it does actually. Okay. Fun fact, I don't know if you know this, but Docker and an extension to that, Podman, they have the ability to build using Git, I believe. I have to give it a tag actually. But do you see? I was able to build the thing, which was pretty cool. And from what I'm seeing in the Docker file, you got all these keys and stuff. Turnstile. What is turnstile? No, I don't know what they're talking about. Vite. Vite is the web portion of it, but I don't know. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. 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 And I want to fetch it from Docker.io. Yeah, while that's loading, let's keep going. Microsoft activation scripts. I have to check that out. So it built it. Now Podman run remove IT. Actually no, D 80 this thing. Let's see. No. Brr. Or I guess how does it look? It doesn't have a tag. I should have given it a tag. I mean, it's fine. Let's just give it a tag. Web or movie web. Let's see what it is. Please don't do that again. Good boy. Good boy. Yes. Okay. Movie web. What? I don't understand. Local hosts this. It keeps saying that. Oh, I'm an idiot. This is why. There you go. Now, suspicious Mitsumoto. Yeah, let's go visit. Wait, 3,000? That wasn't the deal. Come on, bro. Kill sus. Brr. Okay. Kill. Wait. Huh? Okay. Kill C153. Run it again. This time do. Yeah. Let's see. 418. Let's see. Huh. Come on. What is happening? 3. Yeah, because it worked previously. Let's see. Okay, one sanity check. That works. Okay, so nothing running that I don't expect. When I want to run this, just to clarify. Okay, let's actually run it like this. Ready for startup. Maybe I have to wait a bit. Should I? Oh, freaking no. Yeah, I'm not sure what's happening here. Because before, if you recall, I saw this thing. Oh, I'm an idiot. That was web check. That was the other thing we were working on. Oh. That makes sense. See, this is what happens when you have too many things open. Not Pico. Movie, whatever. What was it? Movie. Come on, bro. No. Movie web. There you go. Which one? Oh, it exposes 80. So yeah, it was right in the beginning. I just local host 8080. Yeah, hey, let's try it out. I want to watch The Room. How does it work? Failed to find media. So, do I have to? I thought it was like one of those piracy apps, but I guess not, huh? Sync to the cloud appearance, but it looks really nice. Connections. You haven't gone through do setup. Oh, bro, I'm not gonna do any of this. I'm good. I'm good. I don't know why I'm. But it looks nice. That's at the very least. So maybe, but I just I have HBO. I don't wanna do that. All right, let's see what else is here. There was something that I saw Microsoft. Was it Microsoft? Yeah, Microsoft activation scripts. Okay. Oh, this is something I've seen before. Okay, this is not that fancy, but yeah. Yeah, I don't have a VM to try it out with, but pretty cool, pretty cool. But the fact that they have Office, right? Do they? Do they have O365 and Office Activator? Yeah. So, hopefully, this will work. Gamma PyTorch. Nice, Google. Oh, Mario Kart 3.js. Let's try it out. Okay. Okay. Oh. Yeah. By the way, there is this thing called Bun, which is like a better NPM, essentially. It's faster. Well, this was fast enough, so let's see. What is happening? Huh. Is it a issue with LibreWolf? Ooh, I see plenty of WebGL. Oh, it might be a WebGL issue. Let's do localhost 5173. Okay. Press enter to start. Keyboard. Confirm. What the hell? What the hell? Is it all in WebGL? I don't know if the audio is coming through, but it's really funny. Pretty cool, not gonna lie. Wait, what is the mobile one? Is it like touch? Oh, you can use this to as a joystick. That's funny. Pretty cool. I don't know. There's much to it, you know. I mean, but where is it? Mario Kart 3. Yeah, well, that's pretty cool. They can do this with WebGL. I want to see the source a little. Is it huge? Huge. App. Where's app? There's usually an app, huh? I don't know the React structure that well, but kind of want to see if I can components. I guess git JSX. It's pretty cool, not gonna lie. Import Euler. EMO. Yeah, the logic looks really interesting. I'm actually. It looks very clean, for sure. No. Generative AI for beginners. That's definitely, I said that already. CZ Kawaka. Chukavka. Oh, it's Polish. Hiccup for Polish. Hiccup in Polish. Chukavka. It's a simple, fast, and free app to remove unnecessary files from your computer. Let's try it out. How do I? Is there a cargo install? Or I guess I don't know, but okay, let's try this. Chukavka. Chukavka. Okay, so let's try building it while this is I'm looking at it. Ooh, and there's a GUI front end to it. There's a CLI. I'm actually curious to know what for a GUI did you use you said it's a GTK GUI? Am I tripping? GTK front end, yeah. That looks pretty cool. GTK4. That's really cool. Where's the cargo toml for the GUI? There you go. No, that's the overall project. Oh, there it is. Okay, sorry. GDK. Yeah, it's using GDK and GTK4, and yeah. It's building. It's building. I'm gonna go blow my nose, and I'll be back. Okay. Where is it? Here. I'm back. Damn, it's still building. It's still building. Wayland protocols. I'm assuming it's probably building everything. So like the GTK frontend, async tasks, or they JSON. Some of these crates are familiar to me. Ooh, a Nix. Ooh. Wait. Am I an idiot? Did it already have a Nix flake? Could I have just used a... Could I have just... No, it doesn't have a Nix flake. Okay, never mind. What about the CLI? Can I just use a Nix flake for this? No. Maybe it does. Wait. And it's a snap. FlatHub. It's on FlatHub, huh? Instructions. Or this. Yeah, compilation. Is it cargo build? Or Docker build? Something, whatever that is. Oh, I should have probably done cargo release. Although, release takes longer, right? And it's... Bro, this is annoying. What about, let's go back to the host. Flatpak search Chkavka. Chkavka. Polish is such a silly language. Yeah, it's here. Okay. So I'm assuming this is the GTK front end. User, yes. I should probably make a better thumbnail for my thing because it's just me at a terminal. But yeah, let's see. Chkavka. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, is that not the GUI? It is the GUI. Okay, okay. Okay, I want to go to downloads. I don't want to add here, recursive, sure. Search. I have a lot of files in my download, huh? Oh no, no, that's my home. No, I wanted downloads. I don't want people to see my waifu AI roleplay stuff. Did it work? Did it find anything? Was it done? Blake3 as the hash. That's good. Okay. Lip Torch Cuda. Ooh. So, these are the same. It actually searched in my... Oh, it searched in both, I guess. I don't know. That's cool. That's cool. So, yeah, I guess it finds them. That's really nice and handy. I like that. I'm probably gonna use it, I think. Not on this machine. I don't have a really limit. I have a terabyte, I think, of storage here. Oh no, sorry, DFH. See the whole thing. Yeah, I have 600 gigs available, dude. I don't worry about that. But still pretty neat to check this out. Pretty cool. Okay. Already took a look at these. The 1 billion. I heard about this. A fun exploration of how quickly 1 billion rows from a text file can be aggregated with Java. Actually, yeah, let's take a look. That's a lot of tests. I want to see the fastest. Okay. Okay, so everything is a private static variable. Okay. Segment size 1. Bitwise shifted to the left 21, so you know. And then hash table size 1, 17. So this is for checking arguments. Alrighty. Main. Okay. Number of workers. Get available processors. Try var whatever equals open. Okay. Okay, so you make a list of type result. You loop through the threads. And int index is I. Okay. And you start the threads. And you join the threads, I believe. And print an accumulator result. So now let's see the actual function. It makes a tree map. Okay. That's good. The map string to results. And also, what is results real quick? I just need to check that out. I'm assuming everything is in one file. Yeah, it's got the first name word, second name word, min, max, count, sum, name, address. Okay. Find result. Okay. Well, where's the tree map thingy that I was looking at? Find the limit. What is happening here? This is pretty cool. Word XORed with 3B, 3B, 3B. What is what is that? Okay, let's ask what does brr. There you go. What does? Yeah, this thing? No. And mean. I want to understand this. The expression, so that's XOR to perform an exclusive, or what is the intent of XORing a word with 3B, whatever. It's a bitwise common. I know. Okay, such as registering. Oh, oh, interesting. Detecting overflow in binary arithmetic and swapping two numeric. I know that's the use case of XOR. Okay, I know it's a specific manipulation. That doesn't help, bro. I really do need GPT, huh? I don't know. Where was I? Where was I? The billion thing? Honestly, yeah. Getting tired. X-ray penetrates everything. Project X. Cryptography and internet. XTLS are brilliant ideas for TLS we study, which I might have to take a look at this. I'll save this for next week, because this was just like a getting back to the whole streaming thing. You know, it's a good habit to have, I guess. Stream health has been healthy. Good. I'm gonna go back to my good OBS. Hi. What was I gonna do? Honestly, I forgot, but I think that was that for today. I'm gonna end the stream. There's still plenty of things I gotta do on this YouTube channel, which I'm not gonna do because, you know, with grad school, with working 9 to 5 every day, with, you know, having to spend time with friends, you know, things get in the way. So you really, you know, you never know what life has in store for you. But yeah, I mean, you know, I might do another one of these again. We'll see. We'll see. Hopefully, if I can, I'll make it better. Maybe videos instead of streams in some future. But yeah, bye.